How to create a Facebook page. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Facebook page tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily create a Facebook page within the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started with creating a Facebook page, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the Facebook app on our iPhone or Android phone and then select the menu button in the bottom right of the app. This will bring you to the menu for your Facebook account. From here, simply scroll down and select Pages with the little flag. And this will show you any pages that you currently manage on Facebook. All we need to do here is select Create in the top left. Then as you can see, it lets us know what a page is. It's a space where people can publicly connect to your business, personal brand, or organization. So all we need to do now is simply select Get Started, enter the name of our Facebook page that we want to create. So go ahead and type that in. Once you do that, simply hit Next. And then now we can come up with a category that best fits our new Facebook page. And you can add up to 3 categories. So I'm going to search for tech and then do science and tech, entertainment, education. And I recommend adding as many categories as possible. So go ahead and look those up and then add those. Once you do that, select Create at the bottom. And now we can first add a contact, and this will be a website that we can link to from our Facebook page. So if you have an Instagram account or a blog or even a YouTube channel, you can link to those. All you need to do is type that in. After that, you can add a location for your Facebook page. And this can be useful if your Facebook page is for an organization or business that has an actual location, but you don't have to enter a location. So I'm going to select Next. After that, we can add some pictures to customize our Facebook page, such as a logo, and a profile image at the top. So you would just select there, add the image that you want to add, and then you could do that again for the background image as well. And if you don't have any of these images, such as a logo or something like that, and you're not sure how to create one, check the link in the description because I'll have a tutorial going over that. So once you're ready, select Next. And then we'll have some options to be able to get notifications from our Facebook page in our profile. So if you want that, select that on. And then you can also get notifications about marketing your Facebook page. So turn those on if you want to. I don't really want to get that last one. And then select Done. So now we've created our Facebook page and it brought us to the page. If we want to interact with it or add content to it, what we're going to need to do is select that little icon right above the menu button. And I know this is a little confusing because both of them have the same logo. And then when this comes up, how to interact, choose the page, not your profile. So go ahead and choose your page, and this will reload it. And as you can see, it'll give us some different steps for setting up our Facebook page. Now that we're here, we can add content to our page by scrolling down and selecting Create a Post. We can also edit our page further by selecting Edit Page, and then you can go in here and add page information, buttons, tabs, different things like that. Now, if you want to get a link to your Facebook page so you can share it across social media or with friends, all you need to do at the top, under the page name, you'll see this little area right here with this menu. Scroll to the right, select More, and then go all the way to the bottom. And under Grow Your Audience, you'll see Copy Page Link. Then you can paste that anywhere you want. And you can also select Invite Friends to invite friends or share your page using their Share tool. All right, so that's how you create a Facebook page. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Facebook tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.